What if I told you that just 1 month can feel like a turning point in AI? Not a whole year, just a month. In this monthly overview for AI and LLM, Liora Tessani frames February 2026 as exactly that, a pivotal moment. The piece covers the window from February 1st, 2026 through March 1st, 2026, and it is organized into 3 digests, basically 3 curated bundles of what mattered most. Even that structure tells you something. This is not meant to be a fire hose. It is meant to be a guided walk through the month. And if you have followed AI lately, you know why that matters. There is always more news than any one person can hold in their head. LLMs, large language models, are showing up everywhere: writing, coding, research, customer support. So a month in review becomes a kind of map for reality. When an author says a month was pivotal, I hear a question underneath it. What shifted in a way that changes the direction of the road? In AI, those shifts usually come from tension: capability versus safety, speed versus reliability, open sharing versus competitive advantage. A pivotal moment can be subtle. Sometimes it is not one headline, it is a new pattern that finally locks in. That is why I like the idea of 3 digests here. A digest is a promise. I will sort the signal from the noise, and I will tell you what belongs together. And it helps to remember what an LLM actually is in plain terms. It is a model trained on lots of text, designed to predict the next token, the next little piece of language. That sounds simple, but the results can feel almost social, which is why monthly overviews are useful. They ground the magic in what actually happened. Now, a quick note. In the snippet we have, we can see the title, the author, the date range, and the fact that it includes 3 digests, but we do not have the full body of the article. So I am not going to invent stats or pretend I can quote details we cannot see. Instead, I want to focus on what this kind of month in review is trying to do. It takes a fast-moving month, February 2026 in this case, and turns it into a story with a beginning, middle, and a sense of direction into March. And maybe that is the real takeaway. AI progress is not just a stack of updates. It is a narrative about where tools are headed and how we decide to use them.